Hi everyone, it's Guidance in the Silence here with another card message. Which one are you going to choose? Pile A or pile B? Which one resonates with you today? If you chose pile A, become who you were meant to be in this world and shine your light. So have some more confidence in yourself, pile A. It's obviously something that's troubling you and making you feel unconfident, but you don't need to, because you are enough just as you are. And if you chose pile B, all is working out as it should. You are loved. So that thing that you were worrying about, no need to worry. Everything's working out as it should. Spirit's got your back. I hope that's helped. Take lots of care. See you soon. Please like and subscribe. Guidance in the Silence. Bye for now.